I've been making dua for so long, it's not working. Should I stop? Two options, on and off. Maryam from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I have been facing a problem for almost 1 year. The more I increase my dua, the more difficult my situation seems to become. Allah tells us to make dua and also make effort. But in my situation, I don't see any halal or good way to try. I keep asking Allah to open the best way for me to make an effort, but still nothing seems to happen. There are some haram ways are still open, but I know Allah would not pleased with me if I choose those ways. So I feel that I have no option except making dua. As far as I know, when Prophet Yunus alayhi wasallam and Prophet Musa alayhi wasallam were in a very difficult situations, they had nothing to rely on except Allah and their dua. Allah saved them in amazing ways. I trust in Allah's power and miracles. I know those prophets were much better and special than me. But
What is your question? Yeah, Maryam, what is your question? This is an essay. Ask me the question.
There is nothing I can do.
Correct. There is nothing you can do but dua. What's your question?
Can I hope that Allah still help me?
Okay, I understand. Now, first of all, I beg you guys, when you come and ask me a question, give me the question. Don't write a whole novel or write a long paper, and it's not composition. It is a Q&A. Ask me the question, which most likely I've heard it a gazillion times, so you don't have to go into details. Your question is very easy. I have one of two options. I've been making dua for so long, it's not working. Should I stop? Two options, on and off. If you stop making dua, what's going to change? Nothing. If you continue to make dua, what's going to change? I don't know. Maybe nothing, maybe it will happen. So you have to trust Allah Azza wa Jal. Making dua is a form of worship. So even if Allah doesn't respond to you in this dunya, He will respond to you by either deflecting harm from you or storing it for you on the Day of Judgment. Remember, Prophet Ayyub, Prophet Jacob, may Allah be, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, was afflicted by an illness for 18 years, 1-8. And he's a prophet, he's the elite, he's the best, he's the cream of the cream. And for 18 years, Allah Azza wa Jal left him in this illness for a wisdom only Allah knows. And Ayyub was content. He knew that this is from Allah. I'm not going to argue, but I'm going to still make dua and ask Allah. After 18 years, Allah cured him and substituted him with better family and wealth beyond imagination. Locusts made of gold and silver came from the heavens and fell on him. Gazillions of dollars and euros. That is for his patience. So you're not better than him. You have no other choice but to trust Allah, to be content, to express your poverty and need for Him, and then whatever Allah wills will happen.